Hello, welcome to the ceiling fan world. And what we have here is today's National Ceiling Fan Day. And what we have in the National Ceiling Fan here, what we have for today for all the fans that are spinning on low is a Harbor Breeze Armitage in 42 inch. Let's do a zoom in so you can see clearly. It's on low right now. Let's take you upstairs to the what we have here is a Hunter Passport ceiling fan in the 52 inch. And here in the kitchen we have a Hampton Grayton 2, which is actually spinning on low right now, as you can see here. And that's it for National Ceiling Fan Day. Bye bye.